Okay, so now drywall has been completed for hanging. We are actually looking at some doors right here that are currently being installed. We do have a total of 27 doors with a combination of single door hangs, double pocket doors, single pocket doors, and a front entry door, which are those right there, those large doors over there. Any guesses on how long it's going to take to install 27 doors? So what we're looking at right here is the front entry doors. These are very heavy doors. They are 10 foot tall and the door thickness 2¼ inches thick. So these are very hefty looking doors. This wood is actually Spanish cedar. This will be stained, and I don't know the exact color stain that the homeowner is going to pick out yet, but these are going to look really nice when they're done. So one thing to note, when they are done hanging all their doors, installing their doors, they do remove all of the door panels. They take them off by the hinges, and then they actually bring them out into the garage, and they have a large pallet here and some sides that are built up. So they're going to actually crate these doors so they can protect them from construction. That's how we actually keep them from getting damaged. And then later on in the construction process, we'll bring these out, get them painted, and reinstall them. So right here, we have a guy behind this door, getting this door plumbed up and making sure all the reveals are nice inside there. You can see right here, he's used his Sawzall and shaved off a little bit of the jam. There's probably a little bump right there that he needed to get out of there. And that's just so that he can get his door nice and straight, nice and plumb. I'm Mark with AFT Construction. Thanks for stopping by and checking out Project Worth the Wait. We're going to continue here with the door install, and following that we will start on with tape texture and finishing up the drywall, and then after that will be paint. Thanks for stopping by, and subscribe and check us out on the next one.